know what the problem is, it's me. You waiting on the boy to fail, then hold your breath and face your death.
So we're here at the gym. Found a nice S63 coupe to park right next to. These are such beautiful cars. We're gonna complete the lineup here with the GTC and the M8. Let's finish this workout here, then get back to the office and get working. Finishing up with the gym. About to head over to Canadian Tire to grab the Christmas lights that we need for the trend. And then we are on the way to the office. What do you think of the new C-Class? New C-Class?
Yeah, that's the new one. I don't know, too similar to the S-Class, the new S-Class.
I know, that's why I don't like the new S-Class. Unless it's a Maybach.
Then it's different.
The new Maybachs look crazy. The new Maybachs look crazy. The new S-Class is the new Maybach. Do you get what I mean? Like now the respectable flex is the Maybach.
Yeah.
You get what I mean? Before, if you had an S-Class, that was enough. That was respectable. Now having the Maybach is the more respectable choice, I feel like, no?
No, yeah, that's true.
Oil change time?
Over here? Nah. Not for the GT.
What do you mean? This is prime service right here.
This is?
Yeah. We're here at Canadian Tire. Let's go ahead and grab the Christmas lights. Alright, so we have all the lights. The mission is now complete. All the lights are in the back. So now we just have to get to the office and start plugging everything in, setting the cars up for tonight's trend. So we're finally at the office. Got the GTC here. It's gonna be the first car we set up with these Christmas lights. So today's video is gonna be all about the trend we're following on TikTok. It's the one where you see the cars and they have all the lights everywhere. Just a little behind the scenes for anybody who's interested in also doing the same trend. You can use this as a tutorial so that you can follow it one-to-one. For the materials, we have obviously your 1000 Christmas lights, and then we have a power inverter. This will help us connect the lights to the car so that the lights are powered. See you guys when everything is halfway or completed. So we got the final look at it. Honestly, it's looking crazy. Not gonna lie. It's looking pretty solid. The back is okay. We definitely snapped on the front. The trend's gonna be from the front anyway, so. But this is what it looks like, everybody. So let's see what it looks like at night when everybody's cruising together and we have 3 of these cars all bright, all lit up. Got the M8 now, ready for the next wrap. This is what it's looking like before. Okay, looking much better. Looking crazy, I'm not gonna lie. The M8 competition. Ready for the, oh my God. All right, so we just gotta finish up with the C43. then we are ready to go on our way. The M8 is looking amazing so far, and the GTC is not too far behind. They're both completed. However, in the dark, these are both going to glow like crazy. C43 is on the way. M8 is completed, and the GTC is also done. Now we just need to finish with this one right here.
Whoa! Wow!
Stay without the fridge. I'm gonna put it in the car for you guys.
Do it. Got Jason getting in the C43. Breeze already ready to go.
Hummus snacks on deck.
Hummus snacks on deck. GTC is looking good. DJI roller car back there. Let's see how we do. We're gonna come back tomorrow, clean this mess up. A little tired tonight. Nice. Jason, yours is on?
I literally thought it was free.
Is Jason's on?
I just clicked it. I have to switch it to. Yeah, okay.
What's Yusuf doing now? What's going on with Yusuf?
I went all the way to the left and it says 600 on mine.
How does it look on the DJI?
Okay.
Jason, get up closer.
Yeah, Jason's so far.
Doesn't matter. The lights.
All right, everybody. This is what the final product looks like. Got the GT, the M8, and the C43 all lined up. They're looking pretty crazy, I'm not gonna lie. Pretty happy with the results. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Do you like this look? Do you like this trend? I'm personally in love with the way the cars are looking right now. So this is the current scene.
Not working?
Nah, we're on.
Want me to do it?
That's it. Let's do the M8. Let's do the M8. That's crazy.
It does look so nice.
What is that? What is that? A camera. Oh.
Are you excited to see Mommy and Daddy's car with the Christmas lights?
¿Cómo es el carro? Vroom, vroom, vroom. El carro. ¿Ah?